Let me just see if I can make the setup properly. Yes, I can see now. Friends, you are gradually coming in. Let me just wait for some more time so that some more people join, and then I would like to start my talk together. So, how is COVID pandemic going on? I hope this pandemic has given us a lot of education, and we all have insightfully lived this uh, lockdown within the four walls. We have learned how to live life, and probably this has been a very good way to be with the family and live minimalistic in a minimalistic way. And although there has been lots of disaster devastation, uh, yes, yes, I can see a lot of people joining me already. I can see Vinod Jobanputra. Hi, Vinod. I'm so happy you've joined. Aditi, thank you that you finished the class and you took my responsibility today. And Harish, thank you for being there. Riti, hi, how are you? मम्मी जी कैसे हैं? पल्लवी, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है तुम ये शो में हो. तुषार, it's really wonderful that you are here. Safdar, wonderful that you are here. And Rajiv sir, it's really great to have you with me today. Safdar, Rahul, hi Rahul, good evening, how are you? It's nice to see you here. Okay. Divya, I have lots of complaints that I will call you up and tell me. Hi Swati, nice to see you joining me from Melbourne. Thank you. Yes. So, ये आ रहा है, वीडियो आ रहा है, वीडियो आ रहा है, वीडियो आ रहा है. Yes. That this is my first streaming. This is my first streaming. I'm also experimenting, and it has been a big dream. It has been a great dream since a long time to interact. Brinal, thank you coming and joining me. Yes. Okay. So, good evening, everybody. Subodh Kumar ji, thank you coming, joining me. Mayank, wonderful that you joined me today. It's a pleasure. Well, now a very good evening and a great hi from myself. We all have been friends virtually. Many of you I know and some of you I have made friends through comments and uh, posts, and many are still not uh, probably very active, and I hope that you will be active very soon, and that will be really nice to uh, make friends this way. This is an advantage of the technology. Now, I would first tell you why I am here today. This is my dream of a very long time that मैं ज़िंदगी के जो तजुर्बा मुझे मिला है, एक ऑलमोस्ट 5 डेकेड्स के तजुर्बा जो मेरे साथ है, इसे मैं आपके साथ बांटूँ और मैंने क्या इसमें से उपलब्धि किया, हाउ आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड व्हाट आई हैव एक्चुअली अंडरस्टूड आउट ऑफ इट, आई वांटेड टू share. Now this will be a series of talk for few months on every Saturdays. But then why today I have chosen to come in front of you? Can you tell me? Huh? How can you? You won't be able to. Now I'll tell you why I'm here today, because this was the day when my firstborn came into this world. My son was born on this day, Vineet Kanabar. He was born on this day, and to celebrate his birthday, I thought that this will be the ideal day to start my maybe the dream which should come true, because my children are also my dream come true, and this project is also my dream come true. Now let me tell you that what I will be talking on. If you've seen that it is from my page Make Life Better, I actually have a page in Facebook, and every day I actually send out a quote of mine on life to just boost up myself as well as all the people around the world, so that I can be a little part of the contributor for you in evolving the life, in making the life better. Yeah, thank you from Vineet's side. Yes, now right from my childhood, life has been the best thing for me. I have been in love with life. Life has been my first love. I have actually tried to understand life quite early in my life, and probably because my parents were not very well, and naturally what happened that I started understanding small things, the nuances better, and be more protective towards my parents. And my sisters were always with me, standing strong and helping me in living this life. Now, while we are in the process of living life, you must have heard many times questions like, अरे जिंदगी क्या है, हम जिंदगी में क्यों हैं? Now let me first discuss about these two. Have you ever heard about this, that what is life? Why do we live? Now, when these questions I came across, I started understanding that even I should probably be a little philosophical, and I started thinking about life, and in the process I started to realize what life is. And trust me, I understood that life, maybe I'll tell you what age I must have thought about it. It must have been about when I was 11 or 12. I realized that life is living, getting up in the morning, getting ready, going to school, coming back, studying. That should have not been there, but then that had to be there anyway. So I had to be in this uh, whole process. And I thought, this is what is life. Okay. Then I proceeded with life. As I proceeded with life, gradually when I grew up, one day it just struck me. All of a sudden I thought, Piali, why do you keep on thinking what is life? It's very simple. I'll just take a break and say thank you to each and everybody who have joined and who are sharing so much love to me, and thank you for encouraging me, and I will always need your encouragement to pursue my dream ahead, and I hope you all will be there with me in my journey. Thank you all, and now I'll again continue. So it struck me that Piali, why are you thinking about what is life? Don't you think that inhaling and exhaling itself is life? There is no rocket science hidden behind what is life. And then what happened? I was quite convinced, because immediately the answer echoed from within. Of course, because the day we stop breathing, we stop inhaling and exhaling, हम तो मर जाते हैं. Life ends. So inhaling and exhaling is life. So life is so simple, isn't it? Confucius said that life is a very simple thing. We intently try to complicate it. There must be a change of a word or two, but the sentence is almost the same. And this line struck me very much, and it really dawned on me that yes, life is simple. We complicate it. If I get up and I don't get a cup of tea, okay, I can wait. I did not start shouting and yelling why my cup of tea is not ready. By that, what am I doing? I am just complicating life. Now, this is a part of being having ego. One very important thing is ego. If we can deduct ego from our lives, हमारे लाइफ से अगर हम अहम को बाहर कर दें, तो thank you. It's nice that I've got back my Wi-Fi back. That's nice. Okay. So another thing is that how do we complicate life? There are various ways we do. In family, with various relationships, human relationships do have got interactions. While we are interacting with each other, if we become judgmental instead of become analytical, it definitely will be complicated. Now what happens? Suppose you tell your son something and your son just backfires. He is very angry. He all of a sudden he shouts at you. You have to think. You have to stop, not react. Reaction immediately definitely gets you into trouble, because reaction itself is the origin of a lot of complications. What should be done is we should try to find out the reason behind his behavior. Maybe he is tired, maybe something wrong has happened with him. Okay, now you meet a person and the person behaves very rudely. You immediately have a judgment that I would not like to meet that person again. Why? Why do you want to meet a person again? He is a human being. So it's very important that we should analyze why the person is behaving rudely. I'll tell you, being a teacher, it has helped me a lot, because I have been in this field now for about 32-33 years, and I have seen children of various types and their parents also coming and communicating with me. They have been friends with me, even if we have not met each other, if we bump on each other anywhere, we generally get back to those old days, and we always think that, oh, that those were wonderful days. Why? Because we made a connect. How could we make the connect? Because we made the life simple. We kept the life simple. If there was any misunderstanding, we immediately clarified. It's very important in life that if you are, if you have a query about anybody's behavior, either you keep quiet and later on you can always ask why this happened, what was your mistake, or was he all right? Like I myself, I am a sort of a person, if I have hurt anybody, I always ask that I know you are hurt, even I didn't feel bad, because nobody is perfect, even we all do mistakes, but we should overcome the mistake, we should try to rectify the mistake, we should try to understand that if somebody else is at fault, even we are at fault. If we can have this acceptance. So the second takeaway I am giving you, or you can have, is try to analyze, try to understand the situation. First is not to be judgmental, try to analyze, try to be ego free, because ego is not going to take you anywhere, it's only going to dump you here and there. You will be alone one day, and man is a social animal. One cannot live alone. Even a person who doesn't talk for you, the whole day a person doesn't talk, but he needs somebody or the other around. He will feel lonely after some time if he is set alone. It is always better to try not to find out faults in others. It is always better that we try to understand others and let life be simple. If life is simple, it is simplest for you, because you are not getting into any sort of complexity, and you are not upset, you are not anxious, anxiety is not there. More you are not having anxiety, you will always feel better and better in yourself, you will have a good health, you will have a good mental health, I should say. Now physical health is a completely different thing, but mental health is definitely very, very important. So being positive is a very, very important thing. All those who think positive, जितना सकारात्मक हम सोचते हैं उतना हमारा मन अच्छा रहता है. किसी के बारे में गॉसिप करना, there is a part in the psychology, it is said that gossip is a nice way of keeping you healthy, because your hormones are always good, your happy hormones are activated. But then what the gossip should be? The gossip should be about when the person is there in front of you, and you can always talk about something funny what has happened, where you are not demeaning anybody, you are not trying to put anybody down. That is very important. It's more than necessary in life, because this life needs everyday rectification. A very good exercise on this is, we all should give ourselves a me time. Before going to bed, maybe, or early morning, or whenever you are free, sit down alone and think on the things what you are doing, and realize what all things what you have done, you are proud of yourself, and the things for which you feel that you should have been better there, don't feel bad or sorry, just try to rectify those mistakes. Every day is a new opportunity open to you, and you should be able to, we all should be able to rectify ourselves and try to improve ourselves. Improvement is goes hand in hand with progress. Because in this life, having progress is one thing which should not stop. And to progress, we have to improve, because this is a manufacturing industry which is emotional manufacturing industry. We are all human beings, so we should be able to have a complete revamp within ourselves. We won't have any physical machine, but we will have an emotional machine, and this machinery we have to overhaul, we have to revive, we have to repair, we have to change, and that's very important. Do you agree with me? Now, I would want you all that if you have liked what I said, if you agree with me, please like and comment why you agree with me. It will help me to understand where have I been right and where have I been wrong. And if you feel that somewhere I am not going right, do tell me, because that also is very essential for me, that I should improve myself. Now, with a small story, I will end my talk, and this is the story of my school days. How I made certain mistake, and for my mistake, I thought that others are at fault and I am not. So, by the end of class 6th, I was actually having a group of friends. I was a very happy-go-lucky girl. I would make friends with everybody in the class. Everybody, like 5 to 50, I would not mind. I could make friends with anybody. I make friends even today. I have no age barrier to make friends, and I have enough, because I am a compulsive talker. So I can talk on any point with anybody. So what happened in the end of the 6th standard, I made this group of friends, and by 7th standard, when I came back to the 7th standard, I found that, oh my God, these people do keep me with them, but at certain times they avoid me. I started sensing that every individual senses where he or she is avoided. So one day, in those days, we were being taught about writing official application letter. So you know what I did? I sat with a paper and I wrote an application to these friends of mine. They were about 5 or 6. And I wrote that I want to be your friends. Will you keep me as your friend? Now, after that, I really don't remember what happened, because I have a very good auto-delete system in my head. Things which are not very important, I don't keep them, because the trash should be always kept away. But whatever I have to take with me, keep with me, and they become the asset of my life, I keep with them. Similarly, I forgot what happened after that. But I remember after some time, we again had a chat with all those friends. And in those days, what happened? One of them geared up with the guts and said that, Piyali, see, what happens, तुम जो करती हो, तुम हमारी अच्छी दोस्त हो, we have no qualms with you, you are a good friend of ours, but what is the problem is you carry all the secrets what we have or what we talk in our group to others. Secret and privacy, something very new to me. Now that was the age when I got introduced to secrecy and privacy. How true! Everybody has secret and everybody has some privacy, and everybody has a right to have it. But just because I did not realize that by that time, I was not keeping their secrets and I was just letting them out. Naturally, they would not, when they were avoiding me, in those times they were talking about something secret which they wanted to keep away from me. That day I realized, oh, this is my mistake. And trust me, till date they are my best lot of school buddies, and the proof is that all of them were there in my son's wedding 3 years in 2016 November, all of them had come down from Calcutta, and our friendship still continues. Whenever we get time, we keep in touch through WhatsApp group because all of us are working. We don't get time much to chat with each other, but we are always with each other, especially when anybody is in need of anything. We always stand together. But then this relationship went on. So relationships are very difficult to build, but it is very easy to break. Please, it is my earnest urge to you that try to keep your egos away. Don't be judgmental. Try not to be judgmental. Try not to think about others. Don't put words in others' mouth. Like, don't apprehend what others are going to answer you if you speak, because half of the time we don't speak because we apprehend that the person is going to react this way. It may not be so. Let them, give them the opportunity to speak. Everybody has the right to speak. If I have the right to speak, you have the right to speak. So let it go on. So with this, today I will be ending my session, and from next Saturday 5 o'clock I will be with you. If you all are with me, I will be really, really happy, and I'm so very glad that all of you have been so supportive, that you all have come and joined with me from Nagpur, from India, various places, from the many parts of the world, and it's really very exhilarating, very exciting, and you have really encouraged me in getting my dream come true. Thank you always, and stay safe, stay indoors, don't venture out for no reason, because the corona is not to be felt, it is to be suffered. With this, I end my talk, and bye. See you at 5 o'clock next Saturday. Of course, I will be keeping in touch, and I will be letting you know about it, and that is how we are going to meet again. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will now go on reading your messages, and I'll definitely try to answer each and everybody if you have any question. And thanks for all your wishes and joining me. Bye.